To prepare your asparagus, very simple. Take it, break it. Where it breaks naturally is where you want it. Takes all the stuff that you don't want, toughness out of it. And that's it. You just go on and break them off. Look how easy that is. Okay. So I got this on a medium heat. I'm dropping half a tablespoon of butter. I'm going to drop some salt into the pan. And I'm going to move this. This is non-salted butter, so that's why I'm doing that. I rarely use salted butter, but I just want to bring that up to pretty warm heat. I'm going to add some olive oil. And the olive oil I'm using is just regular olive oil with Sautéed de Provence infused in it. Really easy to make. Just put a quarter cup of Sautéed de Provence in a 1 liter bottle and put the rest olive oil, good quality olive oil, and let it sit for like 30 days. And yeah, you have a beautiful infused Sautéed de Provence olive oil, which is a signature thing I use in many of my dishes. So we're gonna melt that in. I showed you how to break those asparaguses. I'm gonna just drop that in. I'm gonna put some pepper. And I'm just gonna saute it. No big deal. So once in a while, just toss it with your pan. Make sure you keep it on a medium heat. Look at that color. Look at how we're getting there already. So I'm going to cook this till it's tender, and then I'm just going to turn off the heat, and then bring the heat back up when my salmon is ready. And that's all about cooking is timing. So I'm cooking this till it's ready, and then cut the heat off, wait for that salmon to be done, and bring that heat back up just to warm it up, and boom, there you go. So how do you know when your asparagus is done? Well, what I look is for a dark green color and slight browning. So look at that. See that? That browning there? That's what I'm looking for. If you have any doubt, take one off, take a bite, taste it. There we go. So I'm going to turn off the heat, and I'm going to wait for my salmon, which has another 14 minutes to go. So we'll be back. And how exciting, how easy is this?